Hey guys, so today I will be swatching the Pat McGrath Lab Mothership 8 Divine Rose 2 palette. I just received it in the mail today, and I did get it in the limited edition rose gold packaging, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to be swatching them, the shades, separately on my arm, and I'll be cleaning my fingers with a cloth in between swatches. There will be no primer on my arm, just my skin. If you are interested in this pretty palette right next door, I do have a swatch video on my channel of the Mothership 7 palette, just this right here. This is the Divine Rose, just the number 1, and this is the sister number 2. But in this video, I'll be swatching the number 2. Starting off with this shade right here, and it's called Skinshow Rose Opal. Okay, so here's what it looks like on my finger. Looks like a white, pretty standard white, shimmery shade, a little bit of pink iridescence, maybe? Okay, so here's what that looks like. You can barely see the pink. Let me see if I defocus the camera. The pink is not super apparent here, but it is there. Next, we have Extreme Burgundy, which is this shade right here. Here's what it looks like. A little patchy towards the end. That happened to the Mothership 7 as well. I don't know why, but yeah, the more I kind of swatch it around or blend it, it goes a little more patchy. Let me add a little bit more here just to build up the color so you guys can see. But it is a burgundy toned brown, almost like reddish brown. Okay, next we got another matte shade here called Naked Blush. To me, it looks like a very nice peachy color. Medium toned. Swatch it right next door. Yeah, this one's a little better, not as patchy. Kind of like a corally pink matte, medium matte color. Those are the only 2 matte shades in the palette. And next, we've got the shade Divine Dusk. Here's what that looks like. Looks like a medium brown, maybe with a little bit of pink reflex. Okay. Yeah, this is a medium brown, but it has pink sparkles. Let me defocus the camera so you can kind of see the pink sparkles a little more. There you go. You can see that pink sparkliness. It's not a lot, but it's I can see it for sure. Okay, so these are the first 4 shades. Next, we have Eleganza, which is this shade right here. Swatch it right here. This one is very smooth. Looks like a medium toned pinky brown color. It's very metallic. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that is metallic. Wow, okay. Yeah, pinky brown, very metallic compared to the others. That's what that looks like, and I need to focus that for you so you can see the glitter. Definitely much more glittery than the other shades. Next, we have debatably the most colorful shade here called Rose Seduction, which is this pink color right here. Okay, here's what that looks like on my finger. Just a regular mid-tone pink. And it's a little bit metallic, but not as metallic as the previous shade. Yeah, here's what that looks like. Pretty, not that much shimmer. If I defocus it, as you can see, there's not much shimmer coming in from that shade. Next, we move on to the last 4 shades, which are the special shades from the palette. So they are a different formulation. Let's go with Bronze Rosé 005. Here's what that looks like. You can already see the shimmer here. This shade focused. It's a bronze color. Oh yeah, okay. This bronze color definitely has pink glitters and gold glitters. Super pretty and super reflective. Let's kind of defocus it. You can see the pink glitters here. And the gold glitters. Alright, next we have VIII Sextraterrestrial. And I think this is the shade that most people were interested in because it seems to be very dimensional, so let's see. Oh wow, this is more smooth than... Okay, whoa. I can already see a dual chrome effect here. If I turn my fingers here, you can see a little bit of green. And then I rotate it, you see purpley, gray, and then it goes back to green again. Kind of reminds me of like the oil slick effect. Let's swatch that baby. Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, that was a good swatch. Again, the flip is about the same. It goes from like a pink to a green. That's what that looks like. Let's defocus that for you. So the shimmer is primarily pink. Okay, last two shades we've got Gold Lust 001. Looks like a pretty standard gold color here. Pretty true gold in my opinion. Yeah. Yep, it is very true gold. It has a little bit more shimmer than the others. Let's defocus that one real quick for you. Yeah, definitely a lighter gold than this color Bronze Rosé. This is Gold Lust. Okay, and last shade in the palette, Astral Pink Moon. Let's see how this one looks. I can't see the defocus here, but let me focus it for you. It looks like on my finger. These are a little bit more sheer and doesn't really have a base color. It's more of an eyeshadow topper. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. So again, there is no base, but the glitters in here are purple and gold. I don't know if you can see that. Let's zoom you up. Can you guys kind of see that reflect? When I defocus it, you can kind of see the purple. Super pretty. Wow. Okay, so here are the swatches. Very wearable palette in my opinion. I'll be doing another video comparing the two palettes, just a quick comparison if you're interested in getting one but not the other. But thank you guys so much for watching.